My name is Sophia Gaviola, and my topic is finding reciprocal trig ratios. I'll be going over the 6 trig ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. We're going to determine the 6 trig ratios using angle A. First, we will be going over sine, cosine, and tangent, and you can remember these trig ratios by remembering SOHCAHTOA. So stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Ca stands for cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA stands for tangent equals opposite over adjacent. In order to find the opposite of angle A, we must look to the side that is across the angle. To find the hypotenuse, we must look for the longest side, and the side opposite to our 90-degree angle. And to find the adjacent side, we look for the side that is next to our angle, other than the hypotenuse. With this information in mind, we can determine that sine equals 3 over 5, cosine equals 4 over 5, and tangent equals 3 over 4. Now we will go over the reciprocals of these 3 trig ratios. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, meaning that it equals the hypotenuse over opposite. So the cosecant of angle A is 5 over 3. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which means that it equals hypotenuse over adjacent. So the secant of angle A is 5 over 4. And finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so it equals adjacent over opposite. And thus, cotangent of angle A is 4 over 3.